1979 Volkswagen Super Beetle, 28,503 actual miles, original documents, books, and manuals, receipts, and extra keys. This was the last model year for the German Beetle. It is the Carmen edition with a fuel-injected 1.6-liter, 1,584cc motor.
$30,000. Anybody get 30? 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 Anybody get 25? At 20,000. Anybody get 20? Anybody get 20? Anybody get 20? Anybody get 10? Anybody get 12? At 12, 13. Anybody get 14? Anybody get 14? Anybody get 15? At 15 now. Anybody get 15? Anybody get 14? Anybody get 15? At 14,000. Anybody get 15,000? Anybody get 14? Anybody get 15? $14,000. Somebody get $15,000. 14 to me. Anybody get 15? 28,000 original miles on it. $15,000. 14, 15, 14. Anybody get 15,000? I have $14,000. Anybody get 15? Anybody get 15,000? Well, let's roll it out. 14, 15. 15,000. 14, anybody get 15,000? Close a bit. 14,000. Close a bit. The bid goes over.
1970 Volkswagen Type 2 Transporter ends up 1,500cc engine, safari windows, rag top, hand sewn, one of a kind deluxe interior, new wiring throughout a 1970 Volkswagen.
$50,000. Anybody get 50? Anybody get 50? Anybody get 40? Anybody get 30? Anybody get 30? Anybody get 20? Anybody get 20? Anybody get 20? Anybody get 10? 10,000. Anybody get 10? Anybody get 10? Somebody get $10,000 for it. Anybody take it if I give you 10,000? Anybody take it for nothing? Now, I need somebody to give something. 5,000, 6,000, 7, 8, 8,000, 9,000, 10, 10,000, anybody get 10? At 10,000, anybody get 10? Anybody get 10? Anybody get 11? 11,000, anybody get 12,000? Anybody get 13? Anybody get 14? At 14 again, anybody get 15,000? 16,000. At 16,000, anybody get 16? Anybody get 16? Anybody get 17? At 17,000, anybody get 16? Anybody get 17? At 17,000, anybody get 16? Anybody get 17? I have 16,000. Anybody get 17,000? Anybody else? At 16, bid roll away. Then anybody get 17? I have 16,000. Anybody get 17,000? Anybody get 16? 17. 17,000. Are you all through? At 17. 18. 18,000. 18,000. Now 19,000. At 19,000. Anybody get 19? Anybody get 19? Anybody get 18? 19. At 19,000. Anybody get 19? Anybody get 18? Anybody get 19? Just give 20. Just give 20 for it. $20,000. Anybody get 20? Anybody get 20? Anybody get 20? Anybody get 20? At 20,000. Anybody get 20? Anybody get 20? Now 2. 20. Anybody get 1, 2, 22. Put it 2. Anybody get 2, 3, 23, 24, 23. Anybody get 4, 5. I have 24. Anybody get 25? I have 24,000. Anybody get 25,000? I have $24,000. Anybody get 25? Anybody get 5? Anybody get 4? Anybody get 5? $4,000. 25,000. Internet. Close bid at $24,000. Close bid.
Lot 155 is a 1985 Mercury Grand Marquis with 19,000 miles. Great paperwork as the book.